Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the front lights for this Volvo S80 from 2011. So you have to open the bonnet and you're going to have to slide to these things, yeah? We're going to have to lift them up just like that. We're gonna have to slide it back like this. With a screwdriver we have to push inside, and then we have to push the plug back. Okay, and this is it. This is how you remove the front light for this Volvo S80. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and I hope this video to be useful for you or for your friends. Thanks for watching, and you can give me one subscribe, share and like.